Hello everyone, welcome to you on my YouTube channel Think Future Onwards Academy. Today's topic is Course Module 2 Part 3 Lock Cells and Protect Excel Worksheet and workbooks as well. It's very easy. The first topic, these are the topics which we will cover. The first topic is others. Open your book as read only. There are two methods which are very easy. Just click on file, click on info, just click on protect workbook, and the first option you can choose. See, now this workbook is saved as read only. Nobody can do anything with it. It will open with them read only. The second option is I want to undo, just click back, always open read only, and it will be back again the position. The second option is save as. Just go here in the more options and you will find here this tag tools option, and here you will find journal options. Click here, put it here read only, and put the password. Okay, when you will put the password, it will save it as read only. Okay, nobody can open it. Okay, next protect current sheet. It's very easy. We are in a home tab, just click on the review tab and click on protect sheet and put password here. I'm putting it the password here. I entered the password, enter my password. Okay, and you can now you cannot enter any value here. You can see it. It's very clear that you cannot enter. Unprotect, use the same password and it will be unprotected. Next, structure of workbook. Very easy. Go to file, info, protect workbook options, and here you will find protect workbook structure. Click it here. It will ask you for the password. I will tell you what it will do. What is the basic objective of this one? Now, after putting the password, entering your password here, what you can see it here, if I'm going to click any of the options, you can see these are disabled. This means I cannot enter new workbook, new anything here. Even though worksheet I cannot do anything it here. So it means it is saving my structure of the workbook. How to do undo? Go back, info, click here, protect workbook and protect workbook structure, and it will ask you again the password. Enter the password and it will be available for you again. See, it is appearing back now. I can enter anything now here. New worksheet. Now here these two options are very important now, which you need to do it for many times. For example, now I have this worksheet with me and I want to protect this area that nobody can make any change here, but here I want to allow them to enter the values. Okay, to do it you need to do one step first. Just click it here, right click, format cell and protection, and click on the option locked. Now you can see this option is highlighted as a tick box. Okay, now further the information which I want to allow them, you need to select that one. I select this option and holding my control key and this option. Okay, this is the area which I want to allow them to enter the values. Okay, after selecting, just right click through your mouse and click comes back on the format cell, and here uncheck it. When you will uncheck, okay, and then protect sheet. I'm entering my password. Okay, reconfirm the password, and now you will see the behavior. See here, my cursor is here I cannot enter any value here, but here, yes, I can do it. See here, I changed my value. Now, here as well I can do it. Okay. Now the second thing is, for example, do you want to make this one password protected? This area also will be password protected. I will unprotect the sheet. Okay. And I will click here option you will find here in your Excel, allow edit range. Okay. I'm going to make it first format cell locked. Okay, now go back here. I had made already one. I will delete it and create the new one for you. The range is this one. I'm going to give it the range from here to here and password. Okay, protection. Okay. Okay, then protect your sheet. Protect your sheet. See, we will see it here in this area. I am unable to do anything. Yes, yeah. But here, when I will come, I will want to enter it here. It is asking me, see, straight away the password. If I shared my password to anybody, they can unlock it and they can use it. See, now you can make it. So this is the trick. The thing which you need to remember, only the area for selection of the password, and then you can put it. And the first method which I told you, you have to be careful of while selecting to unlock, uncheck the area which you want to make modifiable. Okay, this is a main option. This is the main area where you have to concentrate. Okay, so we learned about these options today in our lock cells and protect worksheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, I have to request you to, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel as well and hit the bell icon. Any updates will be there, you will be notified. Thank you very much.